to the Book Vandal Shop. I'm real excited to share a project with you today. This is something that I think we'll have a really good time making together if you want to join me. So real quick, I'll let you know that the digital kit is the Nature's Remedies kit from Artymaze and Tracie Fox. It was a collaborative kit that they did together. Half of it you can find on Artymaze's Etsy shop, and the other half you can find in Tracie's shop. And I'll make sure I link both of those shops below. And I will say right here at the beginning that I purchased both of the kits. They were not you know, given to me or anything, so I'm not necessarily trying to just you know, plug a shop like we do on design teams and whatnot. So I purchased the kit because it was absolutely gorgeous, and I know you're going to love it too. So let's flip through this thing first. So this is made using 2 Reader's Digest covers, okay, and these just happen to be identical, but you can make it using similar ones. I have a little pocket here in the front made with a paper doily, and then this tag here I've glued down just to be pretty. And so the theme was Nature's Remedies, so it's all about, you know, herbal, medicinal properties. Okay, and here, let me zoom us down. And my camera is wanting to do slip sliding again today, like it did the other day. So we've got some tags here in the front, a library card, and then this folds open. And then we have this side over here that also folds open. And so we end up with a journal part and some file folder storage back here. So right up here in the front pocket, we have a little tag book. Okay, so that you can actually flip through it like that and then turn it over. And there are lined pages on the back. You can flip through it like that. Or you can actually just, you know, you can open it up like that and see all the prettiness at once. And then I've kept it tied closed with a string. Right down here in the pocket it goes. Here we just have 3 signatures of a journal. And so I've done a 3-hole pamphlet stitch for these, and there's just different types of paper. We'll go through those better later when we actually construct this. Right now I just want to give you an idea of what we're going to make starting in the next video. Okay, so we have 3 file folders here, and this would be for storage for all your other little elements that are found in this kit, and then you can use these elements to decorate up your journal pages. And then after, you know, as you've worked your way through your journal, decorating it and writing in it and whatnot, you can also use these little file folders back here to put little mementos, you know. So if in your journal entry you've wrote about, you know, going to a play or something, you could stick your tickets back here or whatever. Back here on the back flap, we've got a little notepad. It is removable so that you can refill it with paper and put it back in. We've got another little pocket here. Some envelopes out of the kit, and there is paper inside of those. We have 3 little journaling cards up there. And then just pretty paper on the back side. Okay, and then it ties up with some sari silk ribbon. So that is what we will be making in this series of videos. Let me talk to you real quick about some of the things you're going to need. Besides your normal, you're gonna need your normal things: glue and a craft knife, ruler, pencil, paper trimmer, scissors, stapler. A scoring board will come in handy. Some sort of tape or Tyvek or something that you can reinforce the spines with. Some scrap fabric. If you want to make yours identical to mine, you're going to need some little brads, little eyelets. You'll need some sari silk ribbon or some twine or string. I use some book pages from an old gardening book to use for collaging. I've got some little trimmings in here. I'll make sure I put all the list below. Distress ink, needle and thread, small piece of chipboard to use as the backing on your notebook. And then of course you're going to need the digital kit, and I have both sets. Artymaze is half and Tracie Fox is half of the digital kit. So those are all the things you're going to need. The biggest part of the project that you're going to need though is 2 matching book covers, or almost matching book covers. They don't have to be Reader's Digest books. You could do this with 2 hardcover books that are of a similar size. The Dollar Tree, sometimes you can catch books in there cheap, or stop by your library or thrift store and find 2 books that are similar in size. The Reader's Digest books make great books for this because most of them are all of a very, very similar size. So these are not identical books, but these are what I'm going to be using in the video. One is just slightly taller than the other one, and that's okay. But they are all of them the same height and width. So that's the big part right there. Okay, 2 matching book covers, and then we're going to get these books, put them together, and make that neat little project that I just showed you. Okay, so grab all your supplies and check back in the very next video. It will be the next one up, and I will see you there. Bye-bye.